What's up? Patrick here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys exactly where you could find the best offers on Swagbucks. Now, from experience, I know that Swagbucks can be overwhelming just because there's so many different things on the site and so many different offers, and this is often why you could miss some good offers. Because of this, I decided to create a resource where I compile all of the good offers into one spot so anyone can find them easily. Now, what kind of offers am I talking about? I'm talking about offers that credit instantly, answers to quiz offers, offers that are money makers that give you a profit after you pay for them, and more. Now, before I show you guys this great resource, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new and haven't signed up for Swagbucks, use my link in the top of the description. You'll get a $3 bonus and you'll help support my free content, so thank you. Now, without further wait, let's get into the video. So in my Swagbucks cheat sheet video, one of the things I said I was going to do was make a tab with the easiest offers and the best offers on Swagbucks, and that is exactly what I did. So I'm going to show you the new tab of my website, the easiest SB offers, how to use it to find the best offers, and just go through the offers I have on there right now. So like I quickly said in the intro, we have instant credit offers, which means you will almost get your Swagbucks immediately after doing these offers, and preferably these offers are pretty easy. Next, we have the quiz answer offers, which, if you don't know, there's these quiz offers on Swagbucks and you have to get every question correct. Even if you mess up one, you won't get rewarded, but I got all the answers for these offers. Next, we have easy offers, is just offers that don't fit into any of these categories but are still pretty easy. And then last, there's money makers, which are offers where you have to pay up front, but you get more money back, so you get profit. Okay, so on this specific tab, on the easiest SB offers, if you click here, you'll be on this page, and this page just has the newest offers on it. But if you want, say, just the quiz answers, you could press on one of these tabs, or the quiz answer tab. Right now I just have 3 different offers with all the answers to each one of these quizzes, so you could get rewarded the Swagbucks. But I plan to be updating this every day, and if not every day, at least every time I find a good offer, I plan to update this. So I want to show you inside one of these offers and what exactly I am showing you in here. You press on a quiz offer like this, you'll scroll down, and number 1, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the offer, where to find it. So that's the first thing. For the quiz, it's pretty easy. You're just going to have to type in quiz into Swagbucks search bar. And then for the quizzes, number 2 is just all the answers. And very simple for the quizzes. I want to show you another offer that's really good. One of the offers I did very recently was this moneymaker offer by TransUnion. So yeah, this is a $21 moneymaker, and it pays out pretty fast, within an hour or 2, I think. I don't know how long I was gone from my computer, but it paid out in less than 3 hours, $21 profit, very easy. So again, on this offer, the first thing I show you how to do is where to find it. For the TransUnion offer, it's on Revenue Universe, so you just press Discover on the sidebar, Revenue Universe, and you could sort by the highest paying to easily find it if you don't see it right away. And then in number 2, I just talk about my exact experience and exactly what you need to know for the offer and to know if you want to do this or not. This offer is pretty easy, and I'd recommend you do it if you're looking for some extra cash. Alright, so I hope you guys found my resource helpful. Again, the resource will be in the description or on my website, theincomezap.com. I'm going to be trying to constantly update it with new stuff to the best of my ability. Still not a professional website maker, but I'm learning. So if you think this video was helpful, leave a like, subscribe if you want more Swagbucks content, more make money online content, real make money online content, not no clickbait, you know, some real useful tips to just earn you some side income. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. Peace.